Let's build a house for the birds in our backyard.
But we don't have any wood. We need someone who is good at finding useful things. Whoa! Huh? Whoa! What's that noise?
It's the recycling pup. He can help us.
We want to build a birdhouse, but we don't have the right materials.
Don't lose it, reuse it. We can build a great birdhouse with these.
This bottle will be the main house. We need a little door for the birds.
And these will make a perfect roof.
And these will make a perfect roof. Our house has a roof now.
Every birdhouse needs a little perch to stand on.
It looks perfect.
The house is built. Now for the best part, decorating.
It looks perfect.
The house is built. Now for the best part, decorating.
I'm painting a sun to make it cheerful. My roof is rainbow colored. It's the most beautiful birdhouse ever. Look! Look! A bird is already visiting.
The birds are gonna love their new home. It's fun to make new things from old things.
Subscribe for more creative recycling projects. Bye-bye!